This is the last card for the unit. This is number 11, quadrilateral side lengths. I think this is one of the easier cards also. All you were doing is finding the lengths of missing sides. So if you could flip it over on the back, and you were going to have three shapes: a rectangle, trapezoid, and a square. So rectangle, trapezoid in the middle, and then a square on the right. And on the top, just write use your properties. That is how you're going to find the missing side lengths. This is not difficult at all. So looking down here, you know the top is 8, this rectangle. This side on the left is 3. The right side is side Z. The bottom side is side Y. So the first thing it's asking you to do is going to be to find side Y. So Y equals has to be the same as this one, because the properties of a rectangle say that these two sides, opposite sides, are congruent. So Y has to equal 8 centimeters. That's all you do. Z then is going to equal the same thing that this one equals, because opposite sides are congruent again. So this one is 3 centimeters. The last one, just getting a little bit slightly harder. If it would ask you for the perimeter of this rectangle right here, the perimeter is like building a fence. Remember how far to go all the way around it. So it would be 8 plus another 8 here is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus the 3 over here. The perimeter would be 22 centimeters. To find missing side lengths, all you have to do is use your properties, what it says right here on the top. Okay, the second one is a trapezoid. This is an isosceles trapezoid. On an isosceles trapezoid, the bases are parallel. So top and bottom are parallel. These two sides over here are called the legs. They are going to be equal. So the top is 4, the bottom is 9. This over here, this leg is 5.5. So the question here, what is the measure of x? This is x. All you have to do is look at the other leg of the trapezoid. So the other leg of this trapezoid is 5.5, so x has to be 5.5. That is just the properties of the trapezoid. This kind of trapezoid, what kind is it? Is an isosceles trapezoid. So this right here, isosceles trapezoid, that works because this one has to be equal to this one, and that's how it looks like. And this one is longer than that one. So that is how you do it. Just use your properties to find them. Okay, we've got a square here on our last example. On the bottom right here, that is 12. This up here is A. This over here is B. And this over here is D. So side A, side B, side D, and 12 on the bottom. The first question, how long is side D? This side, if it's a square, you know that all sides are congruent, right? So they all have to be 12. So D has to be 12. So that one is just 12. The next question says, what is the area of this square? Oops. So the area, remember, you have to multiply side lengths when you're doing area. So if it were to ask you for area of that square right there, it would be 12 times 12 because each side is 12. So the area would be 144. Every single side is 12 if one side is 12. That's how squares work. Use your properties like it says on the back of the card. Last thing, perimeter. That would be building a fence going around the square. So 12 plus another 12 here is 24, plus another 12 is 36. Your final 12 is 48, or just do 12 times 4. So the perimeter here is 48. That is how you fill in missing side lengths using your properties. So use what you know and then fill in on the other side and then answer whatever kind of question you are given. That is the last card of this unit, quadrilateral side lengths. Thank you.